Hi, my angels. Welcome back to my obsession. How are you all? This is Anamika right here. And I am going to recreate the makeup look of the Kareena Kapoor Khan. This is the Nagara song makeup look. I absolutely love how she looked, and she is definitely my favorite. And I think this is perfect for the festive season. So, firstly, I'll be starting by prepping my skin, and for that, I'm taking the Earth Rhythm aloe vera gel and applying the generous amount and massaging this in. Next, I am going for the Pack Cosmetics Oil Control Primer to prime my face, and I'm going to just apply this all over my face so that I have a very nice canvas to work with. And I'm just going to again massage this very well and wait for some time so this can actually set into my skin. And for the glow within kind of a look, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty highlighting primer and applying a very thin layer on my face. And then for the foundation, I'm taking the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. This is an exact match of my skin, and applying this with a damp beauty sponge. The next product I'm taking for highlighting and concealing is the Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm applying this on the highest points of my face, like on the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, and even on the chin area, applying this underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to blend this out so you can see this is looking very nicely highlighted. I absolutely love how this matches to my skin tone and even doesn't makes it look ashy. So next, I'm taking this concealer by Maybelline. This is the Eraser Age Rewind concealer if I'm not wrong, and I'm applying this on the areas where I would be doing my contour, but this gives a very nice sun-kissed kind of a bronzed look, so you can't really say it's a contour. For me, it actually works as a bronzer, and I'm just going to blend this out as well. And now to highlight my face a little more, I'm going to apply the concealer from Sugar. I'll leave the name in the description box, you can check that out. And even I have applied the Recoats blush. This looks really beautiful and it has a very beautiful pinky sort of color. Now I'm going to lock everything in its place. I'm going to apply the loose powder from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 15. I'm just going to apply this as my baking sort of thing, and even I'm going to brush it all over my face. So next, I'm going with the Face and Eye palette by Mars Cosmetics, and I'm taking the contour shade from here and contouring my face as the usual places as I normally do. So yeah, to make some shadows, and this looks really amazing. This definitely sculpts out the face a lot better. And now I'm taking the Touch palette from iMagic, and I'm taking this beautiful sort of brownish pink shade and applying as my blush. Now I have the Maybelline Master Chrome for highlighting my face. Again, I'll be using this on the highest points of my face, on the cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and even on the chin area. Plus, I'll be adding a little bit on the forehead. Plus, I'm going to add some underneath my brow bone, so that will look really nice. And now here you can see I'm done with my brows, and hydration is must, guys. So there I just drank some water. Again, from the same palette, I'm taking the brown shade and applying this as a transition shade. So I'm going in the windshield wiper motion and even underneath my eyes, so it looks nicely balanced out. And then I'll be going with this nude kind of a color and just going for a wash off color. That's what I think Kareena has on her lids. Plus, I'm using a brown kajal. I'm not going for a black kajal because I really think this look will look really nice with a brown. I think she has got a brown kajal, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm applying this as a normal liner and then smudging it out with a pencil brush. And here you can see I'm applying the same highlighter even on the inner corners and even underneath my brows, so the brows are looking nicely uplifted. Next, I'm going with the Colossal Mascara. This is the waterproof mascara, and I'm applying a generous amount of mascara in my lashes as the look doesn't have a falsies. I think Kareena wasn't wearing any falsies, so I did skip that part. Now I'm applying a lip liner. This is from Swiss Beauty again. I'm sorry I forgot the name, but then I'm going to link it in the description box. Do check that out. Even I'm going to fill it the lips with the same lip liner. As you can see, I'm making sure this is looking nice, and even it will make sure the lipstick is looking very nice and vibrant. If you have seen Kareena, she is wearing a brownish sort of pink glossy lipstick, so that's why I have gone with the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. I'm not sure about the shade name. I'm going to link it down below. And even I have applied the gloss from Zudio. It is just the Zudio clear gloss. There is no other name to it. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. This is how it looks. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Even you can comment and let me know what Bollywood look you want to see next. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.